Okay, I wanted to make a short video for you to go over how to make a payment through Lonestar College so that you can be up to date. And please remember that the Lonestar College payment deadline is August 27th. That's this coming Saturday. So you have 1 week to make that happen. And I really encourage you not to wait until the last minute. Don't wait till Saturday morning to try to make your payment, because if a problem arises, we don't have anyone who's available to fix it for you. So let's go ahead and get started with the process. So the first thing that'll happen is you'll go to the lonestar.edu website, and when you get there, you'll notice at the very top on the menu bar something called My Lonestar, and this is your access point to get to your records, to get to your payment, to get to your schedule, and all that sort of stuff. So when you click on that link, you'll get a box that looks just like this. It's your login box. And now your login has a password, but it also has your ID, which is, in this case, has been changed to your LSC email address. You have this set up, and if you don't remember what it is, you can always come down to this little button that says Get Email Address and click on that and go through the menu items, and it will ask you for your student ID number. It will also ask you for, if you don't know that, the last 4 digits of your social security number. And if you have that information, you should be able to get your email address and then set up a password if you don't remember the one you had before. Now, once you log in, you're going to get a set of boxes, okay? For you guys, your students, this is an important box, and then this student email is an important box. And those of you taking an online course, this LSC Online would be where you get to your D2L account. So those of you taking the economics course, this might be something that you'll have to learn. The email is something you probably want to check every so often. Occasionally Lonestar will send you emails, sometimes related to financial aid or opportunities, or maybe an invitation to the Honors College. But it's also where they'll notify you about dates that are coming up that are important, withdrawal dates, that kind of stuff, drop dates. But for payment, we're going to go to the student menu and click on that window. And when you do, you're going to get another series of boxes for you to look at. The ones that are important for you are the ones called academic records. This is where you're going to order transcripts when you need them. Transcripts will take you to a specific site that's kind of off the Lonestar site, but used to be, I think it still stands, about a $9 charge to order a transcript to have it sent to another university. I recommend at some point you get a copy of your own official transcript from Lonestar, just so that you can check and make sure that there's no problems with it. It has the classes that you've taken listed and the grades look right. But what we're going to be interested in is this financial account. This is where we're going to make payments from. So when you click onto this box, you're going to get another menu. And that menu is going to have just some drop-down boxes. So what we're interested in, you can check your account balance, and this is a good place to start. If you do this, what you'll get is a list of the courses that you've registered for this term, as well as the cost of what will be there. So your cost should be $78 per course. So if you're taking one course, $78. If you're taking two, $156, and on up if you do the math. So click that to double check, make sure everything looks right, the numbers are right, the courses are right, and then you can proceed to go to your make payments. If there's an issue in the courses, one's missing or they're charging you the wrong price, please see Dr. McCusker as soon as possible, because she can't solve your problem, and it's best not to wait till like Friday if an issue's arriving. So get it done early in the week if you can. You're going to click on the Make Payments window when you're ready to pay, and when you click on that, it'll give you some options about how to make payment in their system. If you would prefer to pay in person, you can certainly visit Lonestar College at Montgomery and go to their business office. Sometimes it's called a bursar's office, but from there they can direct you, and you can write a check, or you can pay cash, or however you want to do that. All right. If you are having a problem making a payment, or if you're worried about that, or you think that you might get some sort of discount depending on your situation, please talk to Dr. McCusker. She's the one that has all that information, and she can let you know what the right amount is, what the wrong amount is that you're responsible for. All right, you guys have a great day, and again, please get started on this payment so that there are no troubles and we can get into the semester fairly smoothly.